9 Easy Ways for Everyone to Make Money with Social Media. Even though it's a relatively new industry, there are already a number of ways to make money with social media. Every major social media outlet has in some way helped users turn their hobby into a business or turn their business into a bigger business. Here are 9 common ways people make money with social media. 1. Tantalize customers with your product on Pinterest. Small businesses can benefit in big ways from getting users to pin photos of their items onto their Pinterest boards. Create an account, engage in the community by pinning other people's photos and upload photos that entice people to buy your product. 2. Run an online Instagram shop. If you have items that would be attractive to Instagram users, it's relatively pain-free to set up a shop by connecting your account to the service in Selly. WikiHow has a great guide walking you through all the steps. 3. Copywriting. Twitter and Facebook can be great ways to show off your language and grammar skills. Prove yourself to be adept in the language of your choice to get yourself hired to write for a living. 4. Editing. Editors in particular have found success marketing themselves on social media, since services like Twitter and Facebook are great proofs of concept for their skills with the written word. 5. Manage social media. There are a lot of companies seeking someone to handle their social media presence. Sadly, a fair share of those positions are internships, but there are also many paid opportunities out there. Search social media on job boards to find results in your area. 6. Comedy writing. A lot of new comedians birthed their career on Twitter. 140 character jokes or funny insights can gain you a lot of attention, so if you're a particularly clever wordsmith, consider giving comedy a shot to make money with social media. 7. Monetize a YouTube channel. Not only can you make money with social media, you can turn yourself into a phenomenon. Just ask Grace Helbig, who's developed a large audience through the hilarious videos she posts every week. She makes a significant sum just off ad revenue from her YouTube channel. 8. Become an Amazon affiliate. When you join Amazon's affiliate program, any sales made from a link you provide to Amazon will net you a small percentage. Cultivate a following and promote specific items on your blog, then include an affiliate link to the item on Amazon so that when a follower purchases something you'll get paid. 9. Sell your art. Tumblr and Instagram, Tumblr especially, are great places to post original artwork and get a lot of responses and shares. If your art starts going viral, you can turn that interest into income by selling prints and other merchandise through an online store like Etsy or Big Cartel. Click the links in the description below or visit laptoplifepro.com for the best courses on affiliate marketing. Please like and share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Good luck.